Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I have a Birchbox for you. It is my January Birchbox. I love subscriptions. If you are new here, I am a fan. I get way too many and I love them. So this theme is Find Your Happy. Good advice. Good advice. Alright, so Birchbox is $10 a month. It is curated for you. You take a little quiz, see what you would like, and I'm pretty impressed with everything that I have gotten from them. I do get a lot of products that are something that I typically wouldn't think about buying, but I am glad that I always get them. So the thing I have is the first, and I'm going to just go in order. They were very nice enough to lay out what you're going to get. They let you know. They tell you what the full size price is because you are only getting the little sample size. The first thing I have is COOLA. I really love that name. So it's the COOLA Mineral Sunscreen Unscented Matte Tint. It retails for $36 full size. Ooh, I like that little shimmer. That's nice. I have a weird obsession with sunscreen. I love it. I love the smell of it. I always have issues with putting it on my face though, because I do break out quite easily. But this one says it's for the face, so I'm going to believe it. It has a matte tint, which is good for me because I am an oily girl. I definitely get oily, so I'm excited to try this out. It says Mineral BB Cream Plant Protection, so this seems like it's going to be a winner in my book. And they recently sent me a COOLA BB cream, which I really liked as well. What I have is Love of Color Vibrant Matte Lipstick, which so Love of Color, and it says Love Tati First Kiss Vibrant Matte Lipstick. So it says this pinky beige shade will be your go-to nude lip. The buttery smooth formula features a comfortable matte finish that lasts all day. So it retails for $10. That is a really good price. That is what it looks like all scrolled out. That's a pretty good sample size. I actually really love these types of products. Ooh, that's creamy. I love this color. It looks really nice. I'd say it's a little bit lighter than my actual lip color, and it does pull a little bit orangey, but I actually really like it. It's kind of a corally pink color. I definitely could see me using this quite a lot. This is a very good everyday color, and it feels really nice on the lips. And I actually have never heard of that brand. Love of Color says it's exclusive, and it says Love Tati. I'm curious if it's Tati from YouTube. Might be. Alright. So the next thing I have is the R+Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. This is such a good sample size. I love dry shampoo. It is definitely one of my top products that I have to always have in my house. It retails $29 full size, and then it says packed with rice protein from Brazil. This style refreshing spray absorbs excess oil, gives hair volume, and adds a tussle of texture. Spurts 10 to 12 inches from your scalp. I'm excited. My hair, literally, I just washed it. That's why it looks kind of like not doing its thing. But I'm not going to throw it in my hair right now. But I'm excited to try this out. I love dry shampoo. I'm constantly using it. Oh, goodness. Oh, okay. All right. I found it. Okay, keep dropping things. All right, so I'm going to definitely try that. So I'm definitely going to try out that dry shampoo. I use it all the time. This is such a good size, and I have tried their other products that I've seemed to really like, so I feel like this is going to be a winner. Alright, the next thing I have is Real Chemistry. It retails for $48 full size. That is quite expensive. So it is a Luminous 3-minute peel. Ooh, I like the sound of that. That is the packaging. So it says, apply this gentle acid-free peel to clean, dry skin for a gorgeous glow. Massage to circular motion to exfoliate, then wash skin with a mild cleanser to remove. I'm excited. I love getting skin products. Skincare is my absolute favorite thing to do, to touch, to try on products, my jam. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't really heard of a product like this Luminous 3-minute peel, so I'm definitely going to give that a go. The next thing I have is the Vasanti BrightenUp. It's the Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. So it retails for $34, the full size. It says this customer fave mimics the effect of a microdermabrasion for a glowing, smooth complexion. Massage a pea-sized amount into a damp skin and rinse. Use 3 to 5 times a week. So if you're only using a pea size, I feel like this is going to go a long way. I've used other products by them that I truly do really enjoy, and I've gotten from other boxes, from this box, so I feel like this is going to be another one that I'm going to really like. I love that I just got so much skincare and dry shampoo. This is such a good box. I would have to say this is the best box I've ever received from them. Based on the products that, these are stuff I would truly love. I love sunscreen, I love dry shampoo, I love that lip product, and I love skincare. So this is one of the best curated boxes I've ever received from Birchbox because it is tailored to everything I truly really do enjoy and like using. So, I mean, that's my January box, and sticking to it. I really do like them. $10, you can't really go wrong to try out new products, and they do use a lot of brands that are well known of, but they aren't that well known, so it's always exciting to get them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Multitasking.